Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is from our Wing Chun training section. It is a Wing Dummy Interruption, learning how to deal with another round punch coming from the parallel side. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
You have your A, your B, and your C, right? So on this second one, I touch, I come around 2, 3. He don't like it. You crack him in the head and he whips a punch at your head. So I'm going to here, and then I'm going to rotate inside. Tan, and then you work your way into set 2. All right? These are just transitions. So I hit, I'm my movement 1, my movement 2, 3, you hit him. He whips it out. If you want to change this to abuse Sal, you can do that. Or a tan and hit, drop right back in. Because a good fighter's not going to put his hand away. He's going to keep his hands up when they're throwing those shots. All right, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and then move around. So the little caveat now is, because we've done this, sometimes your partner isn't going to do anything. You're just going to go through that. Sometimes you're going to go this, and then he's going to whip that one, of which you're into that technique. Sometimes you're going to touch, and he's going to turn that into, as soon as you touch, he's going to whip that one into a round punch and fan, right? And then the other option was I was here, and then he throws that round punch. And then you're back to where you are, okay? So I'm adding in one more. Randomly do any one of them. Randomly do it.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all, so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.